girl. Do you say thank you to Aunt Deb and Uncle Keith?
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Look.
Beautiful.
And another bag.
Wow.
I think I have Chelsea, we have Peppa Pig bags. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Huh? What is this? I think it's bags.
You right, Chelsea? Can you help?
Huh? Look.
Beautiful.
I already got some of those. Is this for school?
Maybe.
Now let's have a look at our cards. Look, Bubby.
Beautiful.
There's stockings.
They're socks. Long socks. Lovely.
Rainbow. You see, I didn't say I don't like it.
That's good, girl.
Mommy,
Yep.
see?
That's
A
beautiful.
rainbow.
Lovely.
I haven't got a card.
Yes, you do. It's next to you.
Where?
Right there.
Is that our money?
Yes.
Where's my money?
In the card, maybe. Did Aunt Deb give you some money?
So where's the...
Oh, in the card, Chelsea.
This is my one.
Wow. What will you buy with that?
Daddy's no Poppy Bear's boat and the cake at school.
Okay.
You give it to Hayley and she'll let us have the
Okay.
cake.
Want me to help you, Chelsea?
Yes, please. Are we over there together?
Yep.
Are these ones for school?
Maybe. Got it? Okay.
I have a butterfly one.
Open it up, Chels.
Chocolate!
Wow.
Where's my chocolate? I think it's...
Just open the card, Chels.
Chelsea, it's in your... I have got some money.
Wow. Say thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I'll buy chocolate
Okay.
for Puppy Bee. That's what I